Hey guys, it's time to finally draw the raffle winner. I wrote everybody's names down who left a comment on the entry video. So I'm going to do it just like last time. I'm going to give it a spin. Let's see. I think last time I kind of put my finger up. Oh, I got 3 that fell out. Ooh, I got 3 that fell out. Ooh, how are we going to choose? You know what? We're gonna take out the 3 that didn't get. Not 3. I'm gonna put aside those ones. We're gonna do it again. These are the 3. The 3 chosen. Oh, all right. This might be the one, y'all. This is the one. Who won? All right. It says LorraineMadsion 8569. So you are the winner of the raffle. I'll be in touch with you very soon. I'll leave a comment on your comment so you know that you won. And then also, if you see this, just send an email to the. I'm gonna put it up on the screen here. Beads with Mari. My email address, and Let me know your mailing address, and I'll mail it to you. Okay? Thank you guys so much for entering, and thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all the support that I've gotten, and we'll probably have another giveaway. The next milestone is going to be 500 subscribers. Okay? And I'll let you guys know what that is once we're getting close. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.